Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bianca, for those of you who don't know me already. This is my first video on my YouTube channel. I wanted to go ahead and put something out there. I do get a lot of questions about how I style my hair, which products I use, how I maintain healthy hair, and definition. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through step by step my process. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this big, voluminous, curly hair, then without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is hop in the shower to cleanse my hair. I'm gonna be going in with my Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Shampoo, and I'm just gonna be applying and lathering this into my roots. I try to avoid lathering it into my ends just because I don't want to strip my hair of its natural oils, but when I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, it's going to pass through my ends and provide it with a little bit of cleansing without drying my hair out. Next, I'm going to be conditioning with my Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. Let me tell you guys, this product has been such a holy grail for me for years now, just because it provides my hair with so much moisture and it makes my hair so soft and easy to manage. Once I've worked that through my hair, I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm going to detangle my hair, starting from the ends of my hair and working my way to the top to avoid any breakage. Once I finish detangling, I'm just going to put my hair up for a couple of minutes and let the conditioner soak in. After a few minutes, I'm just going to rinse all of that product out and wring out the excess water in my hair. To deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Treatment Mask. To apply this mask, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections and apply a generous amount to each section. Once I've raked the product through my hair, I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and comb out my hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed and that my hair is fully detangled. And you guys, I love this mask so much because not only is it extremely moisturizing, but it's also sulfate, silicone, and paraben-free, so it doesn't damage your hair in the long term. So once I've combed all of that through, I'm just going to put my hair up in a bun and I'm going to be wrapping it with a t-shirt to seal in that moisture. You can also use a plastic cap or a microfiber towel if you have those. I'm just using a t-shirt because that's all I have today. So now I'm going to just sip this champagne while I wait about 30 to 45 minutes. Moving on to the styling process, I've rinsed my hair 100% of the conditioner, so it is totally clean, and it is a little bit more dry than I would like it to be, so I'm just going to spritz it with some water and dampen it up. Before I apply my curling products, I'm just going to use my Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner again and apply 1 or 2 pumps to each section. And like I said earlier, this just provides my hair with tons of moisture and makes it really soft and manageable. Then I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. This isn't really intended to be a leave-in conditioner, but I just use 1 or 2 pumps before I put in my other products because it does provide me with tons of nourishment and shine, and also it aids a little bit with definition. Once I've applied those 2 products, I'm going to section off my hair and brush them through with my Denman brush to make sure that they're evenly distributed. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, and you guys, this stuff seriously smells like candy. It is so yummy smelling, and it also gives my hair a lot of shine and an extra added boost of volume. Once I've applied that, I'm gonna go in with my Cantu Curl Activator Cream, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to each section. What I love about this product is that it gives my curls tons of definition and bounce, but it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it hard. Then I'm going to be brushing these products through with my Denman brush, and I'm just showing you guys here how exactly I do that to style my hair. I smooth my hair out with the brush and make sure there's no snags in it, and then when I reach the ends of my hair, I'm just scooping it under and then shaking my hair to separate those curls. Then I just scrunch the bottoms to give my ends a little bit of a boost. And I'm just going to repeat this process for each section. And there goes Marcus in the background creeping. Now I'm just going to be scrunching my hair. I kind of do it randomly, like upside down and to the sides to give me a little added volume. And then just to avoid some frizz, I'll just go back a little bit with the brush and smooth out some of those pieces. And then I just go through and finger curl about 10 to 15 pieces throughout my whole head. I don't want to finger curl too much because I don't want it to be too perfect. I just want some added definition. Lastly, I'm just going to put a little bit of gel on my edges just to smooth them down and avoid too much frizz and flyaways. Alright, so it is about 3 to 4 hours later. My hair is pretty much all the way dry. It is slightly damp just inside, which is okay. It's gonna dry on its own. The next step is just to fluff it out. Normally I do use like a hair pick, but I can't seem to find it, so today I'm just gonna improvise and use my hands. But if you have a pick, or if you want to use a wide tooth comb or anything like that, that will definitely do the trick as well. So I'm just gonna flip my head upside down and just start picking towards the front of my hair to give my roots a little bit more volume. Alright you guys, so this is the final product. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized and the curls are super defined. Also was able to achieve lots of volume and bounce. However, this is just what works for me. If you have any other products or tips and tricks, comment them in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, because girl. Also, I will link my Instagram right here or right here, one of the two. Connect with your girl. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try this out for yourselves, and I will see you soon.